Hello fam, welcome officially to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a full face video, so do well to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let's share your thoughts in the comment section. With no further ado, let's go straight into the video. Thank you. Oh, I'm coming with this spoolie. Then I'm lining it with Davis number 18 eye pencil. It's good to shave or you carve your eyebrow. It actually helps in drawing it. It will give you like the exact shape. And I think that eyebrow is very important in makeup because it can make and break your makeup. What do you think? Is it actually right? Or we can do makeup without a perfect brow? Let's hear your opinion. So I'm filling in the brow now from the inner corner towards the outer corner with lighter strokes. So when I'm reaching the front, I go little by little and I check to make sure that everything is perfect. Then I continue. In the front of the brow, I just put like little lines, then use the spoolie to comb it. That will look a little bit, do not look too artificial, if you get my gist. So I'm going in again, coming out with the brow, with the spoolie, I like the brow. I think is actually the most important, I've said before. So I take my time. So I'm lining the brow with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. So I use it, I put it in a flat brush and use it to carve out the lower part of my eyebrow. And I think I used too much product, so don't use too much product, just use a little. So I make sure everything is well lined up. Then I blend it out with my hand. When you are making up, your hand should always be your friend. I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation to carve my upper brow. See, I'm using the foundation to clean the upper part of my brows. And if you are using a concealer, it should be a shade to your skin tone so that it will help with the blending later. You don't want when you're applying your foundation to look different from it, will not just blend in. And now I'm going in with my hand to blend it all in. Now I'm going back with the LA Girl Pro Conceal as a base for my eyeshadows. And it does help with discoloration around the eye area too. Then I'm blending in with my beauty sponge, my damn beauty sponge. I'm using two eyeshadow palettes today. The Morphe 35A and the Nubian 2 by Juvia. So I'm going in first with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm using Morocco and Kenya as my base, as my transition color. So I'm blending all that in. I then go in with Jezebel, still from the Nubian 2 palette. I put it in my outer corner, then work it into my inner corner. Like I take little by little, I build it up. I blend. Then go in again, take some in, just tap and take, and go in again until I'm satisfied. then go in with Morphe 35 eyeshadow palette. I like my inner corner to be bright, so I'm using that silver in my inner corner. Yeah, that's silver. Then I go in with that sea green, still from Morphe 35A. I put it in my crease area, and guys, you should tap. Take it from me, tap 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 to give you a better result than dragging. Then I go back with Jezebel from the Nubian 2 palette to blend everything in. Forgive me guys, I did my lashes off camera. To the face, I'm using coconut oil to moisturize my face. I'm now going in with Nivea. Use it all over my face. I use Pond's as my primer since I have very oily skin. But if you don't have that much oily skin, you should use a hydrating primer. And I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. Then I blend it out with my Damn Beauty blender. Guys, you should take your time in this part because your blending might make or break your makeup. Because after blending you might have patches, so take your time, blend, tap 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 tap. And don't forget your neck. People always complain that the foundation usually stains their clothes and you don't want to look like two different persons, so blend out the neck. And I'm highlighting with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Almond. And I highlighted my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead. And now blending it out with the same Damn Beauty blender I used. Going in with the Avour Professional Powder Palette. Avour palette, I go into the shade 20. Press my Damn Beauty blender in, blow out the excess powder, then tap tap tap. I do that in all the highlighted part of my areas, my under eye, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. Still using the Avour palette, I used the shade 30-35 as my contour. I used a smaller brush to contour my nose. Still using the Avour Professional palette, the shade 30 and 35. I use the classic Mist and Fix setting spray to set my entire face. Still on the Avour palette, I went and used the shade 02 as highlight. I highlighted my nose, my cubic bow, and my chin. I think this bubble was just too big and it didn't serve the purpose well. What do you think? I used Davis number 3 to line my lips. Then I go in with this neutral lipstick called Cinema Lipstick. That's the final look, guys. What do you think? What was I supposed to do better? What was I supposed to do that you think would have improved the look? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and thanks for watching.